Get your eyes glued on with the new 2019 16-inch MacBook Pro. It's upgraded with new enhanced design and features, but we still have to buy additional accessories just to connect our other devices. This is the reason why the world's best MacBook needs the world's best hub. Introducing DGRule, the world's first invisible hub. Its unique design makes it an invisible extension that provides multiple connections. You can also use it on the go since it has a lightweight feature, compared to other multiple adapters in the market. Its edge relies mainly on what is literally hiding behind your back. The design of the Thunderbolt 3.0 of this hub creates the multiple connections of your laptop invisible as it is connected through the back of your MacBook. This gives you dongle-free working space where cables can be seen uncluttered. The revolutionary aesthetics of the DGRule Invisible Hub also include multifunctional ports. It allows you to connect your USB-C, Thunderbolt 3, HDMI display, Mini DP, USB 3.1 Gen 1, microSD, SD memory card, and headphones, with bandwidth that can reach up to 40 gigabytes per second, all while charging your MacBook Pro. The multitasking hub also has a firm stability whether you work on the top of the table or simply on your lap. Just simply snap the invisible hub on both side ports of your MacBook Pro and surely you can work on it with ease. It also has a cooling pad that prevents it from overheating. Also comes in 3 sizes: 16 inches, 15 inches, and 13 inches. And all size provides 2 colors, space gray and silver. The sleek and slim design of the invisible hub also fits your MacBook Pro, avoiding the hassle of putting it inside your bag. Become the modern jack of all trades that has multiple connections with one invisible connect.
Nums. Is there no number pad on my MacBook? Nums number pad is the solution. It enables you to type without looking at the keyboard. Multitaskers like me are tired of waiting forever for programs to load. The solution is Nums Swift Launch. With Nums 2-second program launching speed, you can say goodbye to the loading icon. And there is definitely much more: scratch-free, seamless fit, and multiple use. For many, air bubbles are common in pad pasting. However, even a tiny bubble is a giant enemy to Nums. So we carefully printed the symbols on the back of the pristine glass and forced our manufacturer to produce a special ink, 0.001mm thin, more than 20 times thinner than a human hair.
The MacBook has become thinner, lighter, and more powerful with every iteration, but most users have missed the MagSafe, one of the best features of the old design. Introducing MagX, a magnetic adapter that brings back the MagSafe experience we all love. Now you can charge your MacBook at up to 100 watts. Yeah, just like before. You will never want to use anything else after trying the MagX just once. It's not just convenient. The MagX protects the USB-C against dust, wear and tear, and even saves your MacBook from falling by accident. MagX is more than just MagSafe. With the 20-pin design, it supports up to 10 gigabits per second SuperSpeed Plus data transfer and 5K video output. To make MagX compatible with the MacBook, even in appearance, we designed it using the same metallic style, making it both durable and aesthetically pleasing. MagX is not just for Mac. Its 4.3A fast charging works with all USB-C devices, including phones, tablets, and notebooks. Back us now and change the way you charge your new Mac today.
But Hubcase is an all-in-one USB-C hub and protection case that not only protects your work tool investment with a heavy-duty magnesium alloy metal casing, but its unique placement removes any possibility of USB port strain. The casing is lightweight, cooling, and lined in a protective rubber stripping to protect the MacBook casing from scratches. It's even provided unbelievable protection in the drop test. But what's more is we designed every element from the sleek, long-lasting magnesium metal to the packaging it arrives in to be 100% reusable. Hubcase provides USB-C, USB 3.0, HDMI, and 2 USB 3 Type-A ports, SD and microSD card access, all in one convenient case that does not block your headphone jack. Or get lost in your luggage. No need to pack additional accessories. No need for a supportive surface to protect your ports from unnecessary strain. No need for bulky cases, or worrying if there's too much pressure on your USB ports. Now you can use your MacBook anytime, anywhere, in even the most cramped of situations, because with Hubcase, you get one simple, sleek, protective, uncluttered workstation made just for you.
With our BlackJet Valkyrie, you can easily plug it into your MacBook Air or MacBook Pro and get ultra-fast backups at lightning speed. You can transfer 1.5 GB files in just a few seconds. With USB 3.1 Gen 2 speeds, you get a 10 gigabits per second bandwidth. The Valkyrie uses a USB-C port which supports both Thunderbolt 3 and USB devices. You can use a USB card reader to start downloading your images straight to your MacBook. A 1 GB file can be downloaded in about 5 seconds. Continue to charge your MacBook even when you are using the Valkyrie so you don't lose productivity.